Hey everyone, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. Today we are going to learn a Firebase email password authentication in our Flutter app. Let's see how is it look and how is it perform. This is our sign in screen and this is our sign up screen. If user directly try to log in without the sign up, they show the error message. Let's try. And if we click on login, you face the error from the Firebase. Your mail doesn't contain @gmail.com. Then you face the different error. Let's try ab.com. If you try to log in, it shows the error. The email address is badly formatted. You must contain @gmail.com in our Gmail. And if you try to sign in our account, before I sign up my account, I saw my Firebase. There is empty, you can see. No data in my Firebase database and authentication. And if I just try to enter the 3-digit password and try to sign up, it saw the error message. Password should be at least the 6 character. And I already said your email address must contain @gmail.com. Let's try. We have not pressed the login @ and if we try, you can see the email address is badly formatted. Let's try to sign up. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in. And after we restart our Firebase, we saw the user detail in our Firestore database. User collection is automatically created and it shows the user detail. You can see email, name and UID, unique ID of the user. The user is also displayed in the authentication. You can see this one user is available, and we have also set up the auto login. If user has already logged in and if the restart your app, user is automatically login. If we off the app and reopen, the user is directly login. You can see this. It's not open from the starting. User is auto login until the data is in user data is in the Firebase. If the logout, then only the user are is in the sign up section. You have achieved this all the feature by the use of Firebase authentication. Let's start the complete video step by step process, and we have learned the complete authentication in our today's video. Let's start the complete video. First, we set up our Flutter project with Firebase, and after that, we start the Firebase email password authentication. First, we have tried it in our Android simulator. After that, we have tried it in our iOS simulator as well. Let's start. First, we create a brand new Flutter project, Firebase project. After we have successfully created, now we have run it. After running successfully, we know that until now our project is working fine. Let's dive into a Google console. First, go to the console.firebase.google.com and create your account. After that, click on add project, Flutter project. Create that. I have disabled it and it takes some time to create project. Now our project is ready. After that, first we have connect our Firebase in our Android app. Now we need a package name. Now we go to our Android app level build.gradle file, and here is the application ID. You can copy this and paste it here, and remaining are optional. You have registered the app. Now download the Google service.json and place it in our Android app. We have copy it and we have go to our Flutter Firebase project inside the Android app and we have pasted it here. Now we have checked it. You can see that Google service.json, and we have next, and here we have copy this and root label build.gradle. Before we have pasting that, in new Flutter update there is the missing of some file. You have watch carefully. I'll provide you the link is in description. First you need to add the build script X Kotlin version. After that we have copy it from here and carefully paste it here, and we have missing one bracket. You need to add this, otherwise you got the error. After that, we have copy the dependency section and paste it here. You can see this. You need to add this to class path. After that, you save it and leave it from there. After that, we go to app level builder Gradle and copy this ID and paste it in our plugin section. Remember it, these three IDs already is in our plugin section, otherwise you got error. And that's it. You don't need to add this dependency. Next it, continue and have back. Add the Firebase core. Oh. Add dependency, Firebase core. After adding this dependency, we make our main async. You can see this, our package is successfully added. After that, we add these two lines just, and all are done, and import our Firebase core package. We have terminate our app and reinstall. Let's see. Open our debug console. If all are correct, then our app is running successfully. Otherwise, it gives error and terminates our app. Let's see. You can see we have not faced any error. All are done successfully and our app is completely working like previous. You can see this. If you have got any error, your app is not run and not working as well. We have connect our Flutter project with Firebase in our Android app. Now we have dives into the iOS section. Add iOS. iOS is quite easy. A bundle ID is required. We have go to iOS section, run our X code, and inside project PVX project, the bundle ID, you can go to 371 line, and there is the project bundle identifier, and copy this line and paste it here. All are optional. You forget this and register our app and download this info.plist file, and we can place it inside our runner. Google service info.plist. We have copied this iOS inside this runner. We have pasted it here. Paste. See this. Inside our runner, there is Google service info.plist along with info.plist. And press this. That's it. iOS section is quite easy than Android. We have continue our project, and we have also tried to run our app in our iOS simulator. We can run this. We have successfully connect our Flutter Firebase project in our Android and iOS simulator. After successfully set up the Firebase in our iOS and Android device and cleaning the unwanted code, first we design the login page. After that, we have add the authentication.